I believe one of the most useful concepts in sales is perceptual positions. Think of three perspectives. First position is looking at a situation through your own eyes. Second position is putting yourself in the other's shoes and looking at how they're perceiving things. And third position is like sitting on the side and watching a movie of both you and the other person. You roll your eyes, groan and cheer them on, shouting at the screen, do this, do that, don't do that. So why bother? In sales, our role is to have conversations that matter, not to us, but to our prospects and clients, to see things from their point of view, what issues they're facing, what the implications could be, what they aspire to. In short, get into their world, which is a great way to develop empathy and trust. Now, once again, why bother? Think about who you trust. I'd suggest that people you feel know you and understand you on a deeper level. And whose advice would you take? Especially knowing it was in your best interest. That, to me, is the essence of sales. Understanding your prospects and leading them to a buying decision that's in both your best interests. So, when in a sales conversation, it's useful to keep switching between all three positions to ensure you keep bringing your future client on the journey with you. Till next time, this is Rashid Kotwal.